So what sucks and blows at the same time? Why the MDV-1BA from Metro Data Vac, of course. Before we start, I've already done an unboxing video of this Metro Data Vac MDV-1BA. So if you want to know what comes inside of the box, just click here or the link in the video description to watch that video and find out. Now let's start this review off with the technical specs of this vac blower. The MDV-1BA has a 4.5 amp 500 watt motor capable of moving 65 CFM of air, which is more than enough to blow all those dust particles when cleaning your dust sensitive electronics. I went ahead and tested the power draw of the unit on a kilowatt easy power monitor plugged into a 115 volt outlet, and the highest I got was 390 watts at 3.6 amps. So that's well under the maximum for those of you that need that specific information. An important note is that this vac blower only has one speed setting. So if you want to clean extremely sensitive equipment like the sensor or mirror in your DSLR, you need to stick to those manual blowers or an electric blower with a really low speed setting. The Metro Data Vac MDV-1BA has an all-steel construction that gets hot while using it, but not so much that it can burn you. I didn't notice it in the beginning because I was holding it by the handle, as one is supposed to, but I got startled when my knuckles came in contact with the body while using it to blow out some dust out of a computer case. And since we are on the topic of heat, there's a shoulder strap included in the box, which in my opinion isn't a well thought out accessory. Because one, there aren't any hooks on the body to which you can attach the shoulder strap, so you would have to attach it to the handle. And two, the unit would constantly be bumping and leaning into you while using it hanging off of your shoulder. And I don't know about you, but to me that seems very uncomfortable. Just think about all that hot steel hitting you while cleaning your equipment. So for me, the shoulder strap is a non-starter. A label on the unit telling me which end the vacuum side is and which end the blower side is would be very helpful. You can find this out by just turning it on, but labels will be very helpful nonetheless. Now the on-off button is biased to you using the vac blower as a blower while holding it in your left hand, just because of the positioning of the button. Those times when I use the vacuum side or the blower side while holding the unit in my right hand, I had to put it down to be able to turn the unit on and off, a problem which could have been solved by integrating the on-off button into the handle. The vacuum function on the vac blower does a good enough job. I haven't used that function too much, but I don't think you're looking for this to vacuum your whole house, or are you? It comes in handy in a pinch though, and is also good for vacuuming those potato chip crumbs out of your desk drawer. And as I've already stated, the blower function is more than capable of blowing the dust out of your dust sensitive electronics. And the 3-pound weight wasn't a problem even after prolonged periods of use. It sounds like an average vacuum cleaner while turned on, maybe not as loud. I don't know, I don't have a sound meter, but have a listen for yourself. So that was it for this review of the Metro Data Vac MDV-1BA, and if you ask me, it's a very good tool to have when cleaning your electronics. There are links in the video description to where you can buy this vac blower from Metro Data Vac. Like this video if you liked it. Leave a comment if you have a question that was left unanswered by this review, or if you just have something to say about this video. And remember to subscribe to the HimHer channel if you haven't done so already. I'm Cliff. See you in the next one. Salute.